There's a link in the description that gives you 14 days free. That's double the normal 7-day trial. You won't be charged during the trial, and you can follow along with everything I'm about to show you. If you want to get the most out of this video, open it up now and do this alongside me. Use the link on screen or in the description below, and you'll see right away that the extended 14-day trial has already been applied because you clicked our link. Go ahead and click the purple button to get started. You'll be prompted to create your account. Go ahead and sign up with Google or use your email address. I'll use my email address. You'll need to verify your email. Open your inbox and grab the 6-digit code, then paste it in here. Next, they ask for your credit card to activate the trial, but I want to point out they don't charge anything today. Right here it shows $0 and you get 14 days free, so you can follow along with everything in this tutorial for free. Go ahead and enter your card information and then click subscribe. Once you do that, you'll see that your trial's been activated via a $1 reversible transaction. So essentially they've charged your card $1, but they're going to give that back to you right away. Go ahead and click continue. Next, you can add your name and phone number if you want to opt in to receive text messages, but you can also go ahead and click skip. So I'm going to do that. And just like that, we've landed in the dashboard with everything configured for your Semrush One subscription. Semrush One is Semrush's newest plan, and it combines two things. First, their SEO toolkit. That's for getting your website to rank higher in Google. Second, their AI visibility toolkit. That's for tracking how your brand shows up in AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI search. Before, you needed separate plans for each. Now, it's all in one place.